Today is an extremely impromptu day. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and in a couple of hours, I will be catching a train to go to Antwerp for the weekend. I went there last year and got some really good photos, but because I met up with some friends, I only had a day. I didn't really make the most of it. I'm going for a full weekend, still meeting up with friends, still got my camera. Should be a good day. But what do I do with these 2 hours? Well, I'm at Cold Drop Yard, so I might as well make the most of that as well. Let's get some photos, let's hop the Eurostar, let's get to Belgium. So these stairs are my first idea. Just shooting through the banisters, looking down, gives you quite a nice geometric vibe. We should be able to get something nice. The sun's really beaming on it, so it could be quite nice. Yeah, I'll wait for someone and then move on. Got a couple hours to kill, so why not? One of the reasons I love Cold Drop Yard so much as well is because of the advantage point of being up on the higher levels on these balconies here and looking down. And because the Samsung building is quite geometric above us, as you can see, it forms into a point, which means down below us, it also forms into a point as a shadow. So I'm just looking over the edge and trying to capture a solo subject in the light where the point is closer. And you can sort of see on the screen what I'm going for. It looks really nice in black and white, really contrasty. We just need to hope for a good subject. But this is a great angle for it. Continuing on my little loop around the upstairs bit of Cold Drop Yard, these ping pong tables are quite interesting. Tons of different texture, but also shooting through the plastic netting gives quite a geometric pattern, and I think it looks quite good when you get images that come out like that. I think that looks pretty nice. Obviously using the dark of the buildings behind it and framing someone in lighter clothing gives quite a nice little image. This route's been quite fruitful so far. Got the trusty Leica with me as well, so it makes the images even better straight away, especially shooting black and white. So in the very short space of time that I've had shooting so far, it's been quite successful. I do feel like the suitcase though needs like a remote control or a follow me button. I've had to put the camera around my neck, and that's completely unlike me because I like having it at the wrist ready. But it's so much faff, especially when you're trying to record as well, so it'll stay around my neck for now. But the case is being wheeled. It would be nice if we had a button to do that. But hey, first world problems, right? First world problems. So this roof is another shot. Again, probably in black and white. But when people walk through it, you get like tons of different reflections of them in one. So it's quite geometric and quite fun. It's been quite nice. I've had a bit of lunch, a bit of late lunch at this place called Harry's that's just opened by King's Cross Station. And it was some of the best pasta outside of Italy that I've ever had. So yeah, that wasn't bad at all. But yeah, this roof, not a bad little spot when people walk through. And when the light's hitting further over by the modern buildings over there, there's a bright spot to the reflection up here, so it works quite well. So I'm back at Cold Drop Yard, sort of doing the same loop as I started with. I've noticed the light's changed, and now these stairs are really quite geometrical, and catching people going up and coming down is really quite cool. Really creates a geometric image. Yeah, it's quite nice. Just the way the handrails are reflecting looks really, really cool. But yeah, We'll see what images we can get from here. That person standing there in the patch of light is quite good though. Interesting. Right, time to start heading back. This Eurostar time. Who knows? I might get some pictures on the Eurostar. People sitting up against the windows, a bit of high contrast. We'll see. This video will end when I get to Antwerp, so it's been a nice little walk around London. Little afternoon in the sun. Lovely bit of light here. Just a little circle, and that beam of light is like a spotlight hitting whoever walks in it, and it's quite nice. I'm going to wait for someone wearing white to walk through on their own, because yeah, it looks quite nice, it works quite well. So looking forward to getting the right subject, and I've got plenty of time because the train station is just there. Right, 25 minutes and I'll be in Brussels, and then an hour train into Antwerp, so should be getting to my hotel about midnight. Gonna end this here. Hope you enjoyed the little afternoon walk around London. It's fun. Join us next week for a video very similar to last year, where I go around taking photos, hopefully getting something good. See you next week. Thanks for watching, and thanks for all your support, because it allows me to do things like this really impromptu, and yeah, I appreciate that. See you next week.